In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to LinkedIn. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, make your way to the LinkedIn website. Open your browser and enter LinkedIn's URL in the search bar. If you're already signed in, you might be taken straight to your homepage. If not, don't worry, we'll handle that next. Now, if you're not logged in already, you'll need to click on the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the landing page. Enter your credentials and click sign in to proceed. Once you're signed in, head over to the LinkedIn home. This is where you'll usually land right after logging in, or you can simply click on the LinkedIn logo at the top left of the screen, which will take you to your home page. From your home page, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top navigation bar. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select View Profile. Once there, it will show you your profile page where all your professional information is laid out. Now let's move on to the profile editing portion. To edit, find and click on the Contact Info section. You'll find this under your profile picture, and it displays how others can reach you. Click on Edit Contact Info to proceed to the editing mode. As you edit your contact information, look for the section labelled Website. This might need a little scrolling, but you'll find it usually toward the bottom. In this section, you can add links relevant to your professional life. Click on it and you'll see options where you can paste external URLs. This is where the magic happens. Open another tab on your browser and navigate to your Calendly dashboard. Once there, copy your unique Calendly link, head back to your LinkedIn tab and paste this link into one of the available website entry slots. This link is what people will use to schedule meetings directly with you via Calendly. Finally, make sure you save your changes by clicking on the Save button before exiting. It's always good to double check and click around your profile page to ensure your Calendly link looks right and is working as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your Calendly to your LinkedIn profile, making it incredibly easy for your network to set up appointments with you. This seamless integration not only saves time, but also makes you more accessible for collaboration and communication.